Hey everyone, welcome to another plan with me. Today I'm going to be going over one of my very first kits, my Metalcore kit. This is the 6-page version, so it has all these items. We have boxes, washi, checklist, check boxes, some other designs. I got some functionals, some flags, some even more functionals such as date covers, numbers, checklist, and then of course washi and deco boxes. All right, so let's go ahead and get this started. First, I'll go ahead and take the pages out so we can get planning. All right, so the way that I usually do my spreads kind of varies. I normally do my days of the week first, but I'm gonna do my washi because I'm going to put my washi underneath my day covers. So these long strips fit perfectly over the 4-day coverage here. As you can see, this is my favorite, one of my very first designs of a crowd in a concert, which is great for this kit, my Metalcore kit, but it could be used not just for Metalcore, but any type of music. It could be metal, rock, pop, whatever you want. It's just a fun kit that I think emulates who I am as a person, and I'm really glad I'll be able to share it with everyone else. Alright, so I like to use tweezers, but it's not necessary. Sometimes I don't, so I decide not to do that here. If you've never used tweezers before, I highly recommend checking them out. You don't have to buy a fancy one from some Etsy store or anywhere else. You can literally just go to the 99-cent store and get a pair of tweezers, and that's fine. What I like about the tweezers though is for smaller stickers, it's a lot easier to get them off of the sheet and then place them a little more centered or exactly where you want, whereas your vision is blocked, so you can't really see exactly where you are putting the sticker. If you do find that you like tweezers, there are a lot of Etsy shops and standalone shops that offer these for a more decorative way to be functional. The one that I'm using is from an Etsy shop called Sassy Planner Co. I'll go ahead and link her shop down below, but I like hers because not only is it pretty, but you can customize it however you want. So mine says Metalhead because that's who I am, the Metalhead planner. But you can write your name or whatever you want. I'm pretty sure there is a character limit, but the end product is pretty cool and it's customizable, so it really doesn't make it yours. Right, so now this sidebar, there are a lot of people who ask me, what do you use a sidebar for? And I offer a bunch of different types of stickers in my shop to fill that space. One specifically is a sidebar running to-do list, which I love, and it's actually pretty new as of 2021. But here I'm deciding to use it as decorative and functional. I put my habit trackers and my dinner tracker and just some other stickers just to bring in the rest of the spread's colors, but still be able to look at it at a glance and know exactly what I need to prioritize. So normally I'm a white space planner. If you don't know what that is, it's basically someone who uses their planner and decorates it, but likes to leave a lot of white space. This, I would actually say, is a halfway in between white space and no white space. No white space is just pretty much putting stickers on every space that is empty. To me, sometimes that is a little crowded and overwhelming, so I feel not as confident to look at it and finish the tasks that I need to do. So this spread is actually a good compromise of having some white space, but being able to utilize all of the stickers in the spread. As for the washi and the deco boxes, there are so many different ways to use them. You can scatter them around the pages, you can put them all on one line, or just pretty much do whatever you want because it's your planner, right? But I like to put it in the middle here, especially how I had the guitar and the bass kind of mirroring the inside picture, which is a stage of performers. So I liked that it was kind of cohesive in that way and making it a full picture essentially. Alright, so since this is a throwback kit plan with me, the formatting of this and even the icons are different than all of the new releases that I have in the shop as of 2021. Even though the formatting is different, a lot of the items are still existing, and I like the way that the new format is because I realize that this kit is quite a lot if you are not a no white space planner. But you can get creative like I am here and use it however you want to make sure that, you know, it's not only functional, but it's fun to look at. Because if you have a spread that is fun to look at, you'll be more motivated to look at it every day. Or if you're the type of person to keep your planner open, like on your desk or table or wherever you keep it, you can see it at a glance and know what you have to do, but it's also fun to look at because you find it pretty. All right, so I think this side of the page is pretty much done. Actually, it looks pretty good. I'm very surprised with how it came out. So on to this next page, I'm gonna just take some more deco boxes and randomly place them around the boxes. The things about these stickers are they fit perfectly within a classic Happy Planner vertical spread. You can do it outside of the box, but the widths will still be the same. And I even have a sticker where you can turn it 90 degrees and it won't be just a box, it'll just be more like a decorative sticker, which is sometimes nice to break it up. One thing I really like about this kit is the number of flags that it has. I don't normally gravitate towards flags, but because they were on the kit, for some reason, they spoke out to me and I just decided to play around with it. And because the spread is more for looks than function, I decided why not just throw them all over the page and just add some extras. Sometimes it's hard to decide how to pre-plan your week because not everything can be planned out 7 days in advance. And that is why it is sometimes nerve-wracking by doing your planning this way instead of day by day. However, you can definitely plan day by day. There is no rule saying that you have to do it all at once. You can kind of get away from that notion that I have to make a spread that's worthy of Instagram and go more towards I need to make a spread that works for me and allows me to be the most efficient person that I can be. But on the flip side, if you do pre-plan, you can set yourself up for success. Not saying you can't do that by planning day by day, but you can set yourself up for success for doing things like how on Sunday I wrote laundry. So that is my way of saying, okay, I should probably do laundry this day. If I don't get it done, it's not the end of the world, but it's a reminder that I should probably try and do my laundry this day. With all of the kits in the Metalhead Planner Shop, there are little stickers like this. So it's fun to use those in your spread, but the cool thing is you don't have to use the whole kit on just your planner. You can use them in various ways. For example, you can use stickers to decorate your laptop, your phone cover, journals, you know, whatever you want. There are so many different options, but I decided to use mine here, even though I didn't use them all. Just kidding, I used them all. But sometimes you don't have to use them all, and that's fine. I mean, you buy the stickers and they're yours, so you can do whatever you want with it. So in the shop, the stickers are high quality and they are on unicorn paper, which is nice because they're smooth. But another thing is, as you see here, you can peel up the stickers and not fear that something is going to get ripped. And although, yeah, it won't rip, still be careful, because if you just rip it off like a band-aid, with any sticker from any company, it may rip. But you can be rest assured that the stickers, if done correctly, they won't tear if you need to move them, like I am again doing right here. Also, I mean, I'm not going to do it for the full spread, but if I see a sticker that after I'm done I don't like how it is, I can easily pull it up even though I placed the sticker just 5 to 10 minutes prior. Alright, so now we're entering that zone where you think, okay, I really want to use all these stickers, but I think my spread is done, and I don't really think it needs more stickers, but I'm still going to put them down. Yeah, that's me. I know I'm not the only one who thinks that. So if you feel like that too, leave a comment below. I would love to know that I'm not alone. However, I did end up seeing that space does need something. So I just put something down even if I'm not going to use it. Maybe I will. Who knows? Maybe it will encourage me to use my stickers in the way that I intended them. All right, so I think that's it. I think it turned out pretty okay for a halfway point between no white spread and white spread planning, that is. If you like this kit or want to see other kits that are like this, I'll leave a link down below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment and I would love to help you out. All right, guys, thanks for watching and I hope you have a great day. All right, bye.